Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate JVZoo account to sell digital products online, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your JVZoo account, begin by visiting the official JVZoo website. Locate the sign up button in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. Fill in the required information in the registration form. Input your first and last name in the designated fields. Enter your email address, ensuring it is valid and accessible. Create a strong password for your account. Re-enter the password to confirm its authenticity. Read through the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Next, click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email from JVZoo. Open your email inbox and find the email titled JVZoo Account Activation. Click on the activation link included in the email. This will redirect you back to the JVZoo website. Now, log in using your email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. You may be prompted to complete additional profile information. Fill out any necessary fields, including payment details. This is crucial for receiving payments from your product sales. After updating your profile, go to the Account Settings section. Review your account settings to ensure everything is accurate. Next, explore the Products tab to start adding digital products. Click on Add Product to initiate the product listing process. Here, you will input the product name, description, and related information. Upload any necessary files or content associated with your digital product. Set your pricing options to determine how much you will charge. Once everything looks good, click on the Save button to publish your product. You can use JVZoo's marketing tools to promote your products effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.